Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background of text box in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps and create your Google Docs document with text box. Now you can see here are my document with text box. Now I change the background of this text box. At first you have to select this text box, then click edit option. Now you can see here are drawing menu. Now select this text box on drawing menu, then go to fill color option. Now you can change this color, change any color. Now I choose this purple. Now press save and close. Now you can see I changed the background of text box in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.